All right, it's Cory here from Penny's Hot Rods and Customs. Well, as you can see, well, maybe you can't, not much has changed since the last time you've seen this in the video. I did spend a few of the evenings just working on a few little things. I did finish welding all underneath the rockers. That's all done underneath, seam sealed. I still got to seam seal the top of it. I did get some more Pour 15 to do all this, so that is done. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do in this video. Not too sure. One thing I can tell you guys, all this mess will be cleaned up, and I'm going to bring my engine in here. But that probably won't be for a day or two. So what I think I'm going to do now is blow this thing off with the dust and just give it a final inspection and see what's what. And honestly, I don't know what I'm going to do right now. Yeah, we'll figure something out. But we'll be back, and probably the car is going to look a little different. Hopefully. Playing hooky right, actually I'm not even playing hooky right now. I worked my 10 hours, so I came home early, so that is a true story. Anyway, I'm going to clean up a little bit and wipe this thing down and see what's what. Could be the very last time you see this thing in gray primer. Who am I kidding? Probably not. We'll be back. Okay guys, it's the next day. The car's painted. I just came in here to mask a few things and whatnot and give it an inspection. I did have to go over a few other things, but I'm pretty happy with it. There's a few small little things here and there, but other than that, pretty good for just doing it in the garage, doing it by myself here. So before I show you guys, like I said, I've done a lot of things. I've recessed the firewall, made all that stuff work, raised the wheel wells, fixed the rear quarters that are all smashed in, and the trunk lid. And so yeah, anyway, I guess I'll show you guys, unveil it. Somebody, one of our subscribers, I won't say who, he's already got to see what it looked like, so anyway guys, blue. A metallic-y blue. Yeah. Actually really happy with it. Like I said, there's a few little spots in there that I know I should have maybe spent more time at, but there's a few spots in the roof there, but I've got it way better than what it was. So, but yeah, other than that, I'm pretty happy. The lighting in this area is pretty crappy. But no, it's all blue. Door jambs are all painted and whatnot, so not bad. Dash is painted blue. So yeah, I'm excited. So I think what I'm going to do is clean up in here for a little bit, and then we'll go in the house and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to this thing next. Ryan and Kevin are coming over tomorrow. Like I said, Derek and Chris are 2 provinces over in Calgary at the World of Wheels in there. So I'm going to get those guys to give me a hand tomorrow. And we'll bring the engine in here. I've sort of started kind of cleaning up in here a little bit, so we'll make some room. This engine, I hate to say, can officially go out of here. Obviously the 4-speed and all of the scatter shield I'm going to keep in, the water pumps new and all that stuff, but the motor out of here because I need the room. So I guess what I'm going to do is finish cleaning up a little bit. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. It's actually something I bought about, I don't know, 2-3 months ago, around Christmas time anyway. So put some thought into it, and we'll go in the house there and I'll show you what it is, because I don't have a clue how to install it. But we'll be back. But yeah, pretty snazzy. Leave that in the comments, guys. Well, tomorrow I'm going to push it outside, and we'll get a really good light with the light and everything and whatnot and see what it looks like. But I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty snazzy. Alrighty, guys. I'm back in a little bit. Okay, guys, this is what I made. Mother's Worry. Yes, that's what I made. That's what we're going to call this car. Anyway, if anybody knows me, they know I like Rat Fink, Ed Roth, and all that good jazz. And one of his things was Mother's Worries. So that's what we're going to call this thing in Penny's Hot Rods and Customs. And I got a few tasteful stickers. Whether we'll put those on, I'm not sure. And those are the drapes I had to do the other day. So anyway, not talking about that. So I'm going to figure out how to do this. If I would have known what I was doing, I should have actually made these stickers a little bigger, but I think they'll be all right. The lady, when I talked to her, I did give her the measurements, but she made them a little smaller, so oh well, it is what it is. So I'm happy with it, so I got to figure out how to peel these things off and do that and not screw them up. Tomorrow I'll dig in there, because I do have my dyno sheet results for the small block to actually show you guys that it actually was dynoed and everything else. It is somewhere in there, I think. I'm not sure, or it might be in there. So anyway, I guess we're gonna go wipe down the doors and clean it and figure what's what, and we'll put these guys on. Hopefully I don't screw them up. Oh boy. Stupid snow. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Oh, actually it's Saturday, but I pushed the old turd out. Doesn't look too bad gleaming in the sun. I'm pretty happy with it for what it is. So yeah, not too bad. Even put on my fancy little rims there. I just put them on just to see what it looks like. Those will come off and I'll put my old rollers on back on. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way this thing turned out. Door jambs are painted. I noticed by opening the door I got to finish painting. Ow, hit my head. Finish painting in a few spots there. It's just I couldn't open the door, but everything is painted. And I'll touch up the dash there too. But yeah, I'm happy with it. There's a few little blems in it here and there, but hey, I painted it in my garage by myself, and you know, it is what it is. So yeah, no, I'm happy with it. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited here, folks. But yeah, it's not bad. So I was a little worried because those tires are quite a bit smaller than what I originally had on here, but I think they'll work just fine. So yeah, not bad considering I, you know, made my own firewall, moved everything back and all that stuff, made my own body mounts, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. So I guess maybe I'll go back in the garage, sweep up and clean up a bunch of stuff, and then push this back in and call it a day. But I think, like I said, Boog and Kev are going to be around tomorrow to help me, and we'll bring that small block in and we'll put it on. Hard to believe, but there's a break-in stand under there, under the snow and tarp and whatnot. So bring that in, and that'll probably be on the next video, getting that running, but at least we'll get it in the garage tomorrow. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. Like I said, there, you can see in the daylight there's a few little imperfections, but hey, I knew that getting into here that I wasn't going to be perfect. So yeah, no, I'm really happy. It's going to look good with a nice fancy little engine there, and big fancy header sticking out around there and whatnot. And yeah, no, I'm pretty happy. You can even still see some of the gold or whatever, so there's going to be, I won't even ruin it. Like I said, I've ordered a bunch more parts for this, so I'm just going to wait for them to show up before I even tell you guys about them. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. And like I said, I'm not going to run those back tires. Like I said, I'm going to run Steelies. I've got a pair of Steelies with wide tires that I'm going to use. It's just they're in storage right now. So Kevin says run these, but these Kraggers are pretty rusty or whatnot. They might clean up, but hard to say. But anyway, I guess I'm going to go inside and clean up the garage there. I'm pretty happy. As Smokey Eunuch would say, best damn garage in town. Well, this one isn't, but we'll try to make it look like it is. Alrighty guys, we'll be back in a little while.
Well, it's the day after April Fool's. We're going to do a cheesy April Fool's joke, and it was like, yeah, too much effort. So anyways, we got these two engines to come. I think we're taking the back one out today. The one with the Patriot heads on it. That's going in as Henry J. I don't know what this one's going in.
We don't know yet.
It's to be determined, I guess. But yeah, we'll roll these guys out. Hopefully they roll okay.
The valve covers are just sitting on there, so.
Gotta be careful here.
They should make it through here.
Careful not to scratch the chrome or the paint.
I should have probably maybe shoveled the snow.
Yeah. We'll see if I can kind of get it up here a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's meant to be.
Good enough?
Good enough. We can get the other one through. So maybe I'll put the camera down and help you just in case.
Well, that's what it looks like. That valve cover is bolted, so
yeah.
For some reason, this one rolls better. No.
Later intake.
Soon.
Later intake.
Holy shit! There we go. Squeeze her through here.
Yeah. Maybe I'll have to push this one.
Yeah, just a hair.
There we go. There we go.
Get the cherry picker set up.
Yeah, I got the cherry picker in the back of my truck and over there.
The little wheels, once they get stuck, they
yeah.
sometimes easier just to roll it around.
Yep.
We'll get into the concrete.
Okay. While he's doing that, he's fighting with that, I'll grab that intake, because that's the intake we're going to run on it. Eventually this will be the 4-speed I'm going to use on it. So yeah, well, I think he struggled enough, so I think I'll give him a hand. Oh, never mind, he's done.
At least they're on wheels.
Yeah. Okay, oh, I gotta go to the garage and grab a adapter for the...
plate?
Yeah, I'll go grab one.
Okay,
All right, we'll
put
put
this one back.
Alrighty, we'll be back. It's
Hey,
cold out today.
You see, it's April 2nd. It's below 0 or 32, whatever you want to say. And it's cold and it's miserable. We're supposed to get another, I don't know, half a foot of snow this week if you believe them, in a couple of days.
Hope not.
I hope not either, but
Yeah.
I'm
Alrighty.
ready for this shit to be over.
You and me both. Okay, guys, got the engine in the garage. It's on my break-in stand. Probably that's what I'm going to call the video. It's not going to be a very long video, but I think the next video we're going to get this thing running. I got to order a few parts. I need a starter. I do have a ring gear or flywheel over there. I need bolts for that. I got to make a list. I got to find some pulleys. So yeah, we're going to get this thing running next video. That's my plan. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sure, transformation. It's been a long time coming. You know, it took a while to get there, but hey, she's there almost. So like I said, the next video, we'll get this turd running. That'll be the plan. And maybe installed. If not, we'll get it running. Might even just be a short video of just getting it running and changing a few things over. I'm going to be running these valve covers. I'm going to clean them up. I'll take them and sandblast them. And then I'm going to run little breathers. Change the intake. I got a distributor for it. I got a water pump. So yeah, I'm going to have to start making a list. So anyway, guys, as always, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, good or bad. What do you think of the old paint job? Like I said, by no means perfection, but hey, it's good enough for an old little, whatever, race car, whatever you want to call this thing. But yeah, I'm digging it. And so far, everybody's liked it that's seen it, so even Kevin likes it, so that's a bonus. So anyway, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Exciting times. I really wish my parts would show up, because I've got the... like a rad for this thing and then something else for this that I'm waiting for it, but I don't know why it's taking so long, but another week or so, hopefully. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one.